Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Smart Wallet and Me, where financial wisdom matters. So guys, today I wanted to do a video on the energy sector and the stock market to see how it has performed given the fact that we went through a pandemic in March, and to see how it has performed over the last 1 year. So I wanted to show you guys this chart. So guys, as you can see here, the energy sector has underperformed by 48.1%, which is the worst in all of these 11 sectors. And also second to that was financials at negative 20.2%. And this is as of September 30, 2020. And the best two performing sectors have been information technology, up at 28.7%, and also consumer discretionary, up 23.4%. But today I just want to focus on energy, which has been down 48.1% just here alone. So guys, if we get into a recovery and things start to improve, I think that the energy sector would definitely go back up and we would start seeing more positive year-to-date performance on this. So here we are with my 4 stocks that I would pick. My first stock pick would be Bloom Energy Corporation with the ticker symbol BE. As you can see here, the stock has gone up about almost 200% year-to-date, and it has been trading basically around 1706 at the 50-day moving average and 1194 in its 200-day moving average. So it's been going higher than where we were around the March lows over here, where we were around $3.07. One reason to like Bloom Energy is that the company has fuel cells that run on natural gas, running as backup power applications. And in July, Bloom announced it was going to supply a megawatt. One reason to like Bloom Energy is that the company has fuel cells that run on natural gas, running as backup power applications. And in July, Bloom announced it was going to supply a megawatt of hydrogen-powered fuel cells to Korea's SK Group in 2022. Moreover, Bloom Energy is attacking the issue of hydrogen fuel differently than the other companies on this list that I'm going to give you. The company is betting boldly on hydrogen's use in industrial applications. In fact, one of the areas the company focuses on is cleaning the emissions from large container ships. My second pick on the list of the energy stocks would be Fuel Energy Inc. with the ticker symbol FCEL. And you can see on this chart over here, this stock has gone up about 578% just over the 1 year, and it was trading just 256 on November 12th, and it is now at 554 with almost a 100% increase just over the last week. And the stock price right now is at $5.54. It has gone over the 50-day moving average of 259 and 231 on the 200-day moving average. The money flow on this is 97 and the momentum is at 3, which shows that the stock is currently overbought in my opinion based on this chart flow. I would wait for a pullback in this stock before I make any movements in purchasing, but this is a very good energy stock that I would like to get into once I see it going back down to the 50-day or 200-day moving averages, if it does. On June 12th, Fuel Cell posted revenue that was 21% higher than analyst expectations. However, the company delivered earnings per share that essentially met expectations with a loss of 7 cents per share. Nonetheless, an encouraging sign for the company was continued strength in its advanced technologies business, which posted a profit of $200,000 in the quarter. So guys, like I said, if this stock pulls back around the 50-day moving average or the 200-day moving average, I think I'm going to start putting some bets on this stock, because I think that energy, clean energy, mainly like fuel cells and hydrogen, is the way to go in the long term. I don't think oil is going to be a big play unless Trump sits back into the presidency. I don't see oil going back higher, much higher than where we are right now. So clean energy is the way to go in the future. And just to get in on this hype right now, you need to get in early before it picks up. My third stock pick would be Plug Power Inc. with the ticker symbol PLUG. Again, as you can see here, the stock has gone up approximately 560% over the 1 year. We were trading just around $4.17 around May, and right now we're at $24.36. And the 50-day moving average is at $16.64, and the 200-day moving average is $9.08. And the money flow is at 77 with the momentum at 9. Again, this shows me that this stock is currently overbought, and I think that we should see another pullback before we get into this stock. But you can see how it tested that 50-day moving average and it bounced right back up and went higher. And the stock right now is currently bullish with the resistance at 24.87. So if we break that resistance of 24.87, I think that it is going to go much higher than where we are right now. And the support obviously is at $2.23, which something major would have to happen for it to go back down to those levels. One of the reasons why I like Plug stock is because it has contracts with Amazon and Walmart, which use the company's fuel cell technology to power its forklifts. In turn, that gives Plug Power a compelling use case, particularly as investors may finally be ready to deal with a world with less demand for oil and less demand for physical labor. The large elephant in the room with Plug Power, however, is that it has burned through cash at an alarming rate. But in June, the company acquired a producer of liquid hydrogen that also makes electrolyzers. The upshot is the company should now be able to capture the profit margin on the hydrogen that Walmart and Amazon use. So when you're really looking into energy stocks, check out Plug with the ticker symbol PLUG. Just wait for a little pullback because it has gone crazy up from here. So wait until that pullback before you make any decisions. And guys, my fourth pick of the energy stocks would be Ballard Power Systems with the ticker symbol BLDP. It has gone up 168% over the last 1 year. The current money flow is at 77 and the momentum is at 4 with the RSI strength at 66. It is trading above the 50-day moving average of 1634 and the 20-day moving average of 1343. And the stock price right now is at $19.29 and it is very bullish right now. So I would wait for a pullback before I make any kind of purchase on this stock. But it is something to get into. Collectively, BLDP stock is up more than 160% in 2020, and according to the company's website, Ballard has shipped over 670 MW of PEM fuel cells products. Additional highlights included a 22% gross margin and $170 million in cash. The company also predicted that hydrogen refueling infrastructure may benefit from stimulus packages that are being put in play in Europe, China, and the United States. One of the challenges that needs to be addressed by Ballard is that it needs to be able to make substantial progress in seeding its technology in markets such as buses, trains, and trucks. And until it does, the company will struggle to be profitable. But I think with a lot of cars and buses and trucks going to electric cars and electric fuel or other forms of fuel like hydrogen, then I think that this stock would do well as well, because these are the types of companies, green energy stocks, that are going to do well, I think, in the future. And guys, if you guys like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video and if you get any value from it. And please tap that like button. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. It helps me to support my channel, and it would help and will go a long way for me. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.